Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system. If you've just bought the car and you want to get rid of the previous owners, or you've just updated your phone and you want to get rid of your old one for whatever reason. So from any screen, click phone. It's searching for paired devices or past paired phones, and you've got add, Bluetooth or close, and those correspond to these buttons here. I don't want to do any of those really, so I'll click close, and then in the menu you've got Bluetooth devices, navigate down to there, click OK. It's showing Barry's iPhone there, which is selected, and across the bottom add, delete or connect. So you've got add, delete or connect, and we want to delete Barry's iPhone 10. Again, that is yes, that is no, so yes, and that's it, that's the phone gone.